Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Planet of Lana II game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, or low FPS issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after you search for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time and after verifying the game files launch it and then check if it's working. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that go to the Windows search, now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, so first of all search for the game. If you cannot find the game, then you can easily add it. Click on allow another app, click on browse. After that go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game application to the list. Now after adding it, select the game and after that make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the issue. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game. If the issue continues, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and then check if the problem is resolved. If the issue continues, again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, you are suggested to do so, because most of the time if the game is not installed on SSD, then crashing or other issues can occur while playing the game. So you are suggested to move the game to SSD. So go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on storage and here you will find the game. In my case the game is already installed on SSD. So if the game is not installed on SSD in your case or it's in other drive, you can simply select like this and click on move option. After moving the game to SSD, launch it and then check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game and here you have to see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you are suggested to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and then check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options as shown below. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in game overlay options as you can see. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search, now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings. Now here you have to turn off real-time protection. After turning off real-time protection, go to the Windows search again, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Then click on OK. And then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But later on again come back and make sure to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next is to install DirectX. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that you have to install it. After installing it, now try to launch the game and then check if it helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application. After adding it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and then check if it helps to fix the issue. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Planet of Lana II game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Planet of Lana II game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Planet of Lana II game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing or low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.